Now in my video, I'm using the 7X Solar Sapphire. It shouldn't matter which version of the Garmin Fenix 7 you've got. This video should work the same for everybody. Now, why would you want to do this? By default, when you get the watch, activity tracking is going to be turned on, and what that's going to allow you to do is see the number of steps you get per day, the number of flights of fours you climb per day, your intensity minutes. It'll also do sleep tracking. If this isn't turned on, you can't get sleep tracking data. But for some of you, maybe you have another activity tracker that you use, so you don't really need this functionality on your watch. You can actually turn it off, and what it'll do is it'll save some battery life for you. So you can see that mine's currently at 29 days. We'll go turn this off, and then we'll see what kind of battery life I gained by turning the feature off. We're going to start by pressing and holding the middle button on the left-hand side. Now, if you're using the touchscreen functionality, you can do the same thing. You can just use the navigation using touchscreen instead. But press and hold the middle button, and then I'm going to use the up or down button, and I'm going to go all the way down into settings, and what we're looking for is an option called activity tracking. I'm on activity tracking. I'm going to press the upper right button to select it. You'll see again by default it is on, and then you're going to see some other options under here, like do you want the move alert on? Do you want goal alerts? Whenever you hit your step goal or your flight climb goal, so on and so forth, does it let you know? Move IQ, the pulse ox mode. All of these are options when you've got activity tracking on. But if you want to turn all of this off, you can simply just toggle it. You're going to get this message saying that disabling it will disable things like your steps and your sleep tracking. You can simply press OK, and now you've successfully turned off activity tracking. So you'll no longer be able to use any of the functions for activity tracking. You'll notice in my case, I didn't gain any more battery life by turning off activity tracking. So there's not much of a saver for you there. But again, if it's something that you're not looking to use and you want to turn it off so you're not getting alerts or you're not seeing data fields with all of these values in it, that would be how you turn off your activity tracking. If you want to turn it back on, you can simply go back through the same steps we just did. Hold down the middle button, go down to activity tracking, select it, and then simply toggle it back on, and all of your other options will now be re-enabled. Anyway, that's a quick video to walk you through how to disable or enable activity tracking on your Garmin Fenix 7 watch. I hope the video helps.